All right, on your marks, get set, go.
At the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash.
And Carissa is our winner. Congratulations to Carissa for winning the AutoBell Car Wash Challenge. You've won a year's worth of car washes from AutoBell.
It's kinda hard. And this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash. Woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah.
Hey, Carissa. Carissa, wait. There's more. Help me welcome Jason Phelps from GEICO, Brandon Hawkins from Caliber Collision, Jim Keffer, owner of Keffer Hyundai, and Blake Bourne from Veterans Bridge Home, who are all here for a special reason. Carissa, they're presenting you this special gift as a thank you for 20 years of military service to our country, this newly restored Hyundai Sonata. Carissa, this car is yours. Make some noise for Carissa Perry. Carissa's gift of transportation was provided by GEICO, restored by teammates at Caliber Collision who volunteered their time and talent to refurbish this car for her. This car donation, part of the National Auto Body Council's Recycled Rides program, which prepares and donates vehicles to deserving individuals and families. Also like to thank the following businesses for their donations: Keffer Hyundai, Safe Light Auto Glass, Exalta Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Goodyear, M-Works, AutoBell, and DSK Towing. Carissa was nominated by Myers Park High School Dream Team for this recycled ride gift by Veterans Bridge Home, which supports Charlotte veterans and military families. She's more than deserving. Carissa, a tech sergeant, served 5 years in the United States Air Force and has continued to serve for the past 15 years in the Air National Guard. Carissa plans to continue serving for 10 more years before retiring. Most important, we'd like to thank you once again, Carissa, for your dedication and commitment to serve our country. God bless you. God bless America. And congratulations on your new car. Let Carissa and all these sponsors hear you, Charlotte. Make some noise. Hey, Carissa, we need to get your car off the ice pretty quick because we don't want the chuckapucks hitting it, okay? All right, cranking up Carissa's Hyundai Sonata to head off the ice, and then they'll be setting up for the Blue Diamond Springs Chuckapuck coming up. All righty now, they're getting ready.